Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to create categories and add them to your WordPress menu. Categories are a game changer for organizing your tech or software content, and these steps relate perfectly to each other to help your readers find exactly what they're looking for. First, you need to create your categories. Go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Posts, and then Categories. Give your category a name, like Tutorials or Reviews. The slug will generate automatically once you save. You can ignore the parent category and description for now, unless you're building a complex hierarchy. Once you're done, just click the Add New Category button and repeat for as many as you need. Next, we need to get those categories into your navigation bar. Navigate to Appearance and click on Menus. Look at the panels on the left-hand side, find the one labeled Categories and expand it. Check the boxes for the categories you just created and click the Add to Menu button. The final connected step is organizing the layout. Your new categories will drop to the bottom of your menu structure on the right. Simply drag and drop them into the order you want. If you want them to appear as a drop-down under a main item, just drag them slightly to the right so they're indented. You'll see them labeled as a sub-item automatically. Once everything is in place, hit the Save Menu button and your categories are officially live. That is literally it. If this quick guide helped you clean up your site's navigation, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point software tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to customize your category archive pages next, and I will see you in the next video.